On your tour, you'll see how the 5 human senses can help capture your imagination.
Oh, can I go too?
Absolutely not. This is one of our discoveries, the figment of imagination.
Yeah, I know all about the senses. There's sight, sound, smell, touch, coochie-coochie-coo, and taste. Tastes like chicken. Can I go? Please, please, please.
No, I don't want you out of my sight.
Out of sight? Okay, come on, everybody. Here we go.
Figment, you are not to interfere with the tour. Our first stop is the sound lab. We'll begin by testing your hearing with a series of tones. Left ear, right ear. Left, right. What? This is odd.
It's about listening with your imagination.
Now I've completely lost my train of thought.
No, you haven't. It's over here. All aboard. Woo-hoo! Next stop, imagination. For every sound your ears are hearing, 1,000 thoughts can start appearing, and each of us imagines different things from just a sound. Your mind has wings.
Continuing now, if I may, in a calm, scientific, figment-free manner, the things we see with our eyes can control the eyes of the imagination. Let's begin by using the eye chart to test your vision. Now, all together, if you would please read line 3.
With F-I-G-L-E-N-T, you can see things differently. Sure, you can see with your eyes, but imagine what you could see if you used your imagination. Follow the bouncing figment. One spark of light can light your fancy. Your mind sees more than what your eyes see. Your sense of sight can make your fancy fly. There's more to sight than meets the eye.
Eyes and imagination must be captured at home. Our research shows that smells often trigger the imagination, especially when pleasant, familiar smells come into play.
Come into play? I'd love to!
This is not a good time.
It's always a good time to use your imagination, so let the good times roll! Woohoo! You win one cent!
Don't! Oh, yeah, that really stinks.
Of course not! The nose knows! One awful whiff can send you reeling. One lovely sniff can be appealing. Your mind can find what enters through your nose. And all day! With just a spark of inspiration, I've made my house an innovation. Imagination really clowns around. Things downside up and upside down. Now here's a real open house. Come on in. So what do you think? Is it real?
More than you can imagine.
Imagination is the brains of the house.
Of course! Imagination. Come on, it's time to get back to the Institute.
Hang on a second.
Well, if you can't beat them, join them. We all have sparks.
Imagination. That's how our minds create creations.
We set them free.
Imagination is a blast. Imagination. Imagination. A dream can be a dream come true. With just that spark from me and you.
Wonderful spark of inspiration is at the heart of all creation.